So right now, we have two phones. The first phone is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the second phone is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So firstly up, let's talk about the display. Both phones come with the 6.8-inch display, and if we talk about the weight, the S24 Ultra come with the 233 grams in the Pixel, come with the 221 grams in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Come with a Gorilla Glass armor. It's a new type of glass that's tougher against drops and scratches. And if we talking about the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the Pixel 9 Pro XL come with a Victus 2 glass. And if we talking about the chipset, the Pixel 9 Pro XL come with a Tensor G4 chipset. And if we talking about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. In CPU performance, the S24 Ultra score 40% higher in Geekbench tests, and in Antutu, which measures both CRU and GRU, the gap is over 60%. And if we talking about the battery life, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra give a 2 days backup. And I'm confident the S24 Ultra's battery will outlast the Pixel 9 Pro XL's, even though the Pixel technically has a slightly bigger battery. The reason? The chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 made by TSMC is more efficient, while the Tensor G4 made by Samsung's Foundry just isn't as good. And if we talking about the software updates, both phones come with 7 years software update. And if we talking about the AI features, Google Pixel 9 Pro XL come with a Add Me, Auto Frame and Magic Editor, Reimagine, and Pixel Screenshots features, while Samsung have its own lineup with live translation, slow motion video editing, and more. Plus, they've been adding features like Sketch to Image and Portrait Studio with the Z Fold 6. When it comes to AL, it's a draw, especially since Google and Samsung collaborate on some of these features. And one unique features have the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is satellite SOS. With the help of this features, you can connect to emergency services via satellite. And if we talking about the price, Pixel 9 Pro XL come with the $1,100 and the S24 Ultra come with $1,200. So if you like my videos, give a thumbs up and subscribe.